Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FXCitizen. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FXCitizen, also known as Universal Citizen, is a no-dealing desk MetaTrader 5 broker that was founded in 2010. This broker offers trading bonuses, cashback rewards, and flexible accounts with competitive spreads. Client funds are held in segregated accounts with trusted international banks, and FXCitizen follows strict anti-money laundering policies. This broker is also compliant with the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, or MiFID, and to further protect its clients and mitigate financial risks, all accounts have negative balance protection. A minimum deposit of only $10 is required to open an account with FXCitizen, and a deposit bonus is offered to all new clients. FXCitizen offers a wide range of metals, indices, shares, oil, and forex pairs. There are also more than 40 tradable currency pairs on offer. The spreads on currency pairs typically start from 0.1 pips, and this broker offers fixed and floating spreads on the standard account or raw floating spreads on the ECN account. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 1,000 when trading with FXCitizen. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will not only be exposing yourself to better market opportunities, but also far greater financial risks, so be sure to use margin responsibly and only within the limits of your budget. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with FXCitizen, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Trading Conditions page or the Instruments Specifications page. If you require any assistance, you can reach the FXCitizen customer support team via live chat. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. If you own a website or have a large following of traders and investors on social media, you can increase your account balance and earn commission through the FXCitizen affiliate program. All you need to do is get them to join using your unique referral link, and if they meet the minimum requirements, you will receive a cash bonus. No deposit is required to become an FXCitizen partner, and you will automatically qualify for referral rewards once you open a live account. You can earn up to $15 per standard lot traded by your clients, and there is no restriction on how much commission you can earn through this program. To find out more about the FXCitizen affiliate program, hover your cursor over the Company tab and click on Affiliate Program. All new clients are eligible for a 35% deposit bonus and up to $10 in cashback rewards when they open a standard account. This broker also rewards its clients by hosting contests, and every month there is a lucky draw where you can earn up to $3,000 in cash prizes. You can also enter trading contests to stand a chance of winning up to $5,000 in cash. These contests are hosted twice a month and they run for 2 weeks. To enter, open a live account and deposit only $100. You can join the contest with multiple accounts and enter several times during the contest period. To get the most out of your account, be sure to read the terms and conditions before you make your first deposit or enter any of the contests. As an FXCitizen client, you can use MetaTrader 5. This platform was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and much more. It offers a high level of customizability and security, and is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. MetaTrader 5 comes with a multi-threaded, multi-currency strategy tester and has multiple timeframes, more order types, and an economic calendar. MetaTrader 5 can be viewed in more than 20 international languages and can also be used for expert advisor trading and backtesting strategies. It can be downloaded for free from this broker's website, Google Play, or the official MetaTrader websites. You can use MetaTrader 5 on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. And if you would prefer not to download any software, you can simply use the web trader. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 5, hover your cursor over the Platforms tab and choose an option from the drop-down list for a full list of features and direct download links. There are two types of accounts that you can open with FXCitizen, and this broker also offers demo accounts and a swap-free account. The live trading accounts you can open with FXCitizen are the standard account and the ECN account. The standard account is an entry-level beginner-friendly account that requires a minimum deposit of only $10. This account is a cent account with micro lots, and it can be used as a swap-free account. It is a commission-free account with fixed and floating spreads and is eligible for cashback rewards and a deposit bonus of up to 35%. If you are ready to make larger deposits and you are looking for lower spreads, the ECN account might be the right account for you. This account requires a minimum deposit of $100, and we recommend trying this account if you'll be trading bigger volumes. The ECN account offers raw, floating spreads from as low as 0.1 pips. However, commission fees of 10 to 20% will be charged on your profits. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing using a demo account first, until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. This broker also gives its clients the option of using a swap-free account, subject to terms and conditions. When you open an Islamic swap-free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions FXCitizen offers, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Account Overview page. Creating an account with FXCitizen will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is free. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the FXCitizen homepage, and then click on the Register tab. Complete the online application form, verify your account and email address, and then you can log in to the client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. After your account has been verified, set up, and approved, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 5, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with FXCitizen. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the official MetaTrader website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. You can make a secure deposit using bank cards, wire transfer, local bank transfers, Skrill, Neteller, Perfect Money, and crypto payments. Your account can be funded using several currencies, including US dollars and euros. Deposit and withdrawal fees will depend on the payment method you choose, the country you live in, and the value of your transaction. You can make a withdrawal using any of these supported deposit methods. Overall, FXCitizen offers flexible accounts with competitive spreads. As a client, you will have access to MetaTrader 5, and you can start trading with as little as $10 US or practice on a free demo account. Despite not being fully regulated in any jurisdiction, FXCitizen has been around for more than 10 years and is trusted by over 100,000 clients worldwide. FXCitizen seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of FXCitizen. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.